Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. Competing with this level of craftsmanship would be a serious challenge. Who needs geometry lessons when you can just eyeball it and saw a perfect circle like this guy? Fair warning, this is professional level stuff, so don't try it at home. But wow, the outcome? Totally unexpected and seriously impressive. Don't toss those old pallets just yet. They might become your next DIY powerhouse. Who knew upcycling could be both smart and stylish? Dinner time has arrived, and for this fluffy horde of guinea pigs, it's clearly the highlight of the day. Honestly, with that kind of chaos, you start to wonder how many of them actually live there. Can something this tasty looking be legal? That flatbread is hypnotizing, and the chef deserves a medal for this masterpiece. Turning your pet's own fur into cozy clothing. It's quirky, intricate, and takes serious skill, but the originality alone deserves a standing ovation. Just look at this person's creative vision. It's genuinely impressive. When you see all the intricate steps behind shoemaking, you realize every pair is a mini engineering feat in disguise. Honestly, it's scary to imagine what this car has been through to end up in such rough shape. But where there's grime, there's hope. You can almost feel the transformation coming. Cinderella's carriage moment is just around the corner. Here's a simple yet creative idea for spicing up your wall decor. Here's a clever trick for replacing a damaged laminate board. Quick and effective. Watching this guy work, you just want to shout, "Protect your hands, man. You've only got one set." After a shift like that, his fingers probably dream of unscrewing themselves and taking a long vacation. The ceiling of the building is stripped of its old layer of paint using a trowel. Let's be honest, who could resist freshly baked pastries still warm and full of aroma? Here's how it all comes together. Stickers and labels are gathered, neatly packed, and shipped straight to the supermarket shelves. Every step is fine-tuned for your smooth shopping experience. What a beautiful piece the craftsman is creating. His calm and steady hands show that he's clearly done this many times before. True expert at work. A creative approach to fixing scratched plastic lenses. A bit of heat works wonders. Isn't it amazing when creativity meets practical skills? This clever design proves that even a unique handmade piece can become the perfect bedside table. Struggling with plaster or adhesive? Try this pro tip. With the right tool, applying it is so seamless, even top-tier architects would be impressed. Is this a speed typing contest with a calculator? It's mesmerizing. Those numbers practically enter themselves. With the help of a mold, it's possible to produce perfectly shaped components with impressive accuracy. The trick is learning to find joy in repetitive tasks. Once you do, the job becomes much easier. One dump truck gets filled, and the next rolls in seamlessly. This mechanical duo operates with perfect timing, like a well-rehearsed routine. A unique glazing technique is used on a bun. A heated soldering iron gently melts the glaze for a smooth finish. You can't help but admire the incredible agility of this craftsman.